Hi, hello. So, tell you about a little problem we had, right? Flat tire yesterday, and we were unable to remove the lug nuts. And the reason why, this comes with the vehicle, OEM, removed it from the trunk from this little storage. And go ahead and zoom in a little bit. This is a problem. That's not supposed to happen. A few of them bit, but most of them yesterday were this swollen. So what it is there's a cap. This is essentially a non-removable cap. You can break it off, but we didn't have access to tools to do that at the time. So these caps, they swell, which causes the actual little OEM lug wrench not to fit, and you're unable to remove it. So what you need to do here, you're gonna line it up, some sort of hammer. The heavier, the stronger, the better. Beat that bad boy on it. Make sure the car's not jacked up yet. The car's low enough that the tire's still on the ground, and then you can break it loose. But definitely, immediately replace or throw these away as soon as you can. Otherwise, you're going to be screwed later on. And so if you don't have access to a hammer and you're watching this at a moment where you're screwed, if you have pliers, you might be able to clamp each of these three sides, and then it might squeeze down onto the lug underneath. So again, if you don't have a hammer where you can forcibly beat this on to squish it down, you might be able to pinch it with some pliers and then get your actual tool, OEM tool, back onto it.